Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. Today I will show you how to make Okara stir fry. Couple years ago I made how to make Okara stir fry in my YouTube video, but at that time I used wet Okara. I just made tofu and that was left over. And in Japan, they have still tofu shop here and there, and you can buy Okara from tofu shop, or now in the supermarket they sell Okara, the wet one. But in the United States, you can't buy wet one. It's very difficult. So when you want to Okara stir fry, you have to buy dry one, and dry ones available in Amazon. Or maybe you can find in the Asian grocery store near you. So this time I'll show you how to make Okara stir fry from the powdered Okara, the dry one. When you purchase Okara, don't get confused to purchase those Okara or just soybean powder. That is a totally different. So don't buy soybean powder, you have to buy Okara. This is Shirataki. It's made from Konnyaku potato. I used this one today because I could find this in the local grocery store and show you how to cook it. This is how to store Shirataki. Not like tofu, do not toss the liquid came with the package. Keep the liquid and store it in the refrigerator. If you want to use all of them today, you can. Shirataki is not a popular food in the Western world. It is low-calorie food and doesn't have strong flavors. But when you cook it, they will have a taste from the other ingredients. This carrot is organic carrot, so I don't peel. If you are vegan, use Dashi. I have other videos that show you how to make strong Dashi. If you are not vegan, use Bonito Dashi, or you can buy powdered Bonito bouillon from the store. The reason for Shirataki first is taking out Shirataki's water. Konnyaku or Shirataki has smell. This one does not have strong odor, but konnyaku usually have a strong odor. To saute shirataki or konnyaku, take out the odor and take the water out of itself. So when you cook it, flavor gets in easily inside in shirataki or konnyaku. I have another okara video, and some people commented that okara is a hard ingredient to eat. I mean, it is like hard or solid. It may come from the picture of okara powder, but actually okara is a very soft ingredient. So this is how to make okara stir fry from powdered okara. If you like my YouTube channel, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. That helps me a lot. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Thanks for watching again, and see you next time soon.